Hey y'all, so as you can see by the title, I will be doing my nails, and I just want to go ahead and give a warning. This method is not pretty at all. This was my second time attempting to do this, so don't give me a hard time. So here are the products that I use. These coffin nail tips that I got from Amazon, and don't mind my brush, I just got it stored in there. So here is the Orly Gel FX Builder in a Bottle Gel. I got this from Sally's. I got this nail primer by Model 1 and the nail dehydrator from Amazon. And I will link everything below. And I also used Model 1's base coat and gel coat. And this came in a kit that I ordered. And here I am just going to prep my nails by drilling using an e-file, which I'm horrible at, but you can also use a hand file. And I use 2 different cuticle pushers just to show different things that you can use. And I'm just cleaning that up by wiping away with some alcohol. Here I am prepping the nail tips that I already pre-sized, and I am just drilling the inside just to give the gel something to stick to. So here I am dehydrating my nail with Model 1's Nail Prep Dehydrator. And after that, I will be using the Model 1's Nail Primer. After dehydrating, I am going to go ahead and apply a base coat to my nails and cure that for 60 seconds. Now what I'm going to do is go in with the builder gel and put that on the back of each nail tip and apply. I just do, I guess you can say a thin coat is what I use. And here comes the hard part. What I did was, I think I saw this on somebody else's video. I don't remember who it was, but I'm turning my lamp upside down in order to flash cure the nail because it's kind of hard to hold the nail. Even though my nail lamp is open at the back, it's still kind of hard to hold your nail down. So this method will be much easier if you have somebody to help you and hold the lamp above your nail. So I kind of struggle with this part. Like I said, this method is not pretty, and this is my second attempt at doing this method. And so I'm just going to go in and apply each of my nails. And here is where I'm about to start building the nail. What I did was apply a base coat up under my nail, and then I'm going to cure that. So what I'm doing now is I'm removing the shiny layer of my nails. And then I'm also just making sure the cuticle of the nail is, or what I'm doing is making sure that when the nail grows out, it won't look too crazy. And I'm doing that by using the e-file, which that's another thing I'm horrible at, using this e-file. So here I am applying a base coat, and I'm about to prep my nails to get ready to polish them. What I'm doing here is I'm building the nail using the builder in a bottle gel, and I'm going to do 3 coats of this, curing after each coat for a minute. after I'm doing that, I take some alcohol, wipe off the tacky layer, and I am just going to shape my nails. They don't need a lot of shape because I plan to keep the coffin shape that they're in. And now I'm also drilling away that shiny layer just to help my cuticles have a smooth transition as the nails start to grow out. And again, I am horrible at e-filing, so yeah. And now I'm just buffing my nails to make sure they're smooth. Using some alcohol to clear away the dust. Now I am using this base coat to prep my nails for the nail polish. Alright, so here I am using this gray color from Model Wands. Again, I'll link everything I use in the description box. Technically, I'm supposed to be using black for the chrome, but the gray actually worked. And I'm also using a burgundy polish. And what I'm going to do is just go in, polish all of my nails, and put some gold crystals on them. And yeah, I'm gonna quit talking now because I hate doing voiceovers. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll stop back in the end. Alright, y'all, I am finally done. I am applying some cuticle oil from OPI. I think this may have came from Amazon maybe almost a year ago. So, like I said, they turned out cute, but the method, y'all, I'm gonna work on that. I promise. And I'm gonna work on the view of all of this. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe, leave me a comment, hit the like button, and I will see you in my next video.